I think about the liberal arts as being about learning a wide range of ways of solving problems. If you want to do something to do with business, you can take a business class and learn some really foundational things about how to do that work. But frankly, no matter what career you have, you're actually going to need to learn a lot on the job about how to do that. So there's a certain kind of curiosity and adaptability that we want students to learn, and we want them to be able to have an earned confidence in that curiosity and adaptability.
What Carthage offers as an education is both broad and deep, and it's very deliberately that way. We are actually designing the curriculum so that students will get certain skills, experiences, and knowledge by the time they graduate from Carthage.
With our core curriculum, we do a great job of giving you not only the skill set you need for the real world, we give you all of that, but then on top of that, we also give you worldview classes, we give you religion classes, we give you classes to make you think outside of just what does 2 + 2 equal. We're going to set you up for success in the real world, and we're also going to make you a better human at the same time.
I'm hoping that the different experiences I've had with classes in my major and outside of my major and minor will help me be a more well-rounded candidate for certain positions and being able to bring different perspectives to the table than just mine, and being able to offer input that may not usually be heard because of the different areas of my education that I've received.
I think students should choose Carthage because they're really going to get an education that is personal and individualized to meet their needs, and that will push them and challenge them to know more and know more broadly than they even might think they need to, so that by the time they have graduated, they'll be able to look back and say, I got a great education in my major, but I got so much more than I expected. And now I can appreciate that I'm more prepared to go out into the world.